Hello again, students, and welcome to the next lesson, the strength of shapes. Today, we're going to learn a little bit about how shapes can be used in architecture to strengthen different types of buildings. Your finished product today, you're going to have one little building like this that you're going to be able to set some weights on. You're going to have another little building like this that you're going to be able to set some weights on. And we're just going to see triangle, square, which is stronger. So let's get started. In order to build your square shape, you will be making one side of this, and the other members of your group will be making the 3 other sides, so that you will have a total of 4. So what each person needs to do is, each person is going to need 2 straws, some type of marking device, a ruler, and some small paper clips that you've gotten from your teacher to share with your table. Step number 1, we need to cut these straws exactly in half. Discuss with your table and figure out how you can use this ruler to get the exact halfway point of your straws. I'm going to do it as well. Now that you have your 4 equal pieces, you're simply going to use paper clips to stick them together. Here's how you do it. You're going to need to loosen the paper clip like that, and this littlest part you're going to have to open a little bit so that it's wide enough to stay in there. Then you go one side. Now that you have your one square side, you're going to team up with your partners from around your table, and each person is going to contribute a square side, and together you're going to put them together to make your cube. The other piece of material that you're going to need is duct tape. You will get this from your teacher, and we want you to be conservative. Practice saving resources. So, carefully tear a piece of duct tape and tape this to another side, just like so, so that you can end up with a structure like this. You are done with the square shape. Now moving on to the structure with the triangle shapes. It takes a little more work, but each person is going to make one side of this structure, and we're going to tape it together just like we did with the square. So let's get to work, kids. For this particular side, you're going to need 4 straws, and again, for 2 of them, you're going to just make the square like you did before. So we got to measure, cut them, and go ahead and get to work doing that. Now it's time to use your paper clips and make that structure again. This time though, you're going to want to bend one paper clip in and put a second one in that same end of the straw. One's for the cross brace, one is for the side. And you want to do that on each side. So remember, 2 paper clips, one bent in, one with the L shape. Okay, now we're ready to add the cross braces. How do you do that? Well, that's where your 2 extra straws come in. You're going to need to get the distance across the cross brace, make your mark, and cut the straw at about that spot. Then you've got 1 cross brace, now it's time to make the second one.
So again, use your full straw, measure across, make your mark, and cut the second cross brace.
Great job! You and your team now should have 2 structures. One like this, one like this. Time to answer the question, which shape is stronger, squares or triangles? So, let's get going. All you need now is something from your teachers here to place on top of the structures so you can put weights on top and do the test. Have fun, kids. Good luck and good job building.